You're so funny when you tell jokes. Yeah, you are too. Thank you. Oh, here's a winter one. Okay. What did one snowman say to the other? I don't know. Do you smoke carrots? Get it? Because I have a carrot nose. You're so funny. I know, aren't I? I really want guys to come hike at our forest. Yeah, I can show them how pretty I am. Sorry. Well, I was thinking, could the wolves run this forest? How dare you think of that? No, I can't let you guys run. You don't even know how to run the forest. Grow up. Yeah. I'm waiting for hikers. Okay. And I'll distract them with my cuteness. Mommy, can we go hike at a forest? Oh, sure, honey. What about Whitewood Forest? Okay. Sorry, clumsy. Well, what do you think? What are you guys waiting for? Let's go. Okay. Okay, we're at the forest. Mommy, you can take the video camera. Daddy, you can take the bone. You can take the phone. And yeah, I'll hike. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. Mommy, video camera. Is that the right way? No. Hello, Mommy, it's a duck. Quack, 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 quack. Honey, maybe you should turn off the video camera. Oh, fine, fine. Quack, quack, hee hee. TikTok. Oh, I'm running in the forest. Bro. Backwards. Hi. Okay. Coming out. Guys, never go in the forest alone. It's very dangerous. There might be very deadly wolves and bears and coyotes. Yeah,